Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Before we begin, do click on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch exciting videos every day. Now let's get started. Morning time. I wake up when the sun is out. Again, I wake up when the sun is out. Your turn. Very good. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Again, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Your turn. Very good. Then I eat breakfast with my family. Again, then I eat breakfast with my family. Your turn. Very good. School time. I wear my school bag and take my books. Again, I wear my school bag and take my books. Your turn. I sit with my friends and listen to the teacher. Again, I sit with my friends and listen to the teacher. Your turn. Very good. In the next video, we will do playtime. I hope you enjoyed this video. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences. Do click on the red subscribe button if you like all the videos. Are you excited to meet teaching Mama again? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye bye.